In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a website in Canva step by step. If you've ever tried building a portfolio, a business landing page, or a simple website mockup and felt like everything looked uneven, cramped, or awkward on different screen sizes, you're definitely not alone. A lot of people will jump in with the wrong canvas size, place elements too close to the edges, or skip testing the mobile view. The good news is that Canva makes the process much easier when you set things up the right way from the start. First, open Canva from the homepage and create a web-specific design. Go to the top right corner and click Create a Design. In the search box, type website, then choose the standard website canvas. This gives you a layout that's already optimized for web design, which helps your spacing, images, and text look much cleaner on larger screens. Once your blank website canvas is open, the next thing you want to do is turn on your layout guides. This is a really important step because it helps you keep your content inside safe boundaries, especially for mobile and desktop viewing. At the top of the screen, click File, go into View Settings, then enable Show Rulers and Guides and Show Margins. You'll now see visual boundaries on the canvas, and those guides will help you align headings, images, and buttons more consistently. Now it's time to build the structure of your site. On the left-hand side, open the Design or Templates panel and search for a website style that matches your goal. You can use phrases like modern tech company website, business portfolio layout, or resume landing page. When you find a template you like, click it to apply it to your page. If your site needs multiple sections, click Add Page at the bottom to create separate pages for areas like About, Services, and Contact. This keeps your design organized and easier to manage. Next, update the text and links so the site feels polished and easy to navigate. Click into the main headline area and replace the placeholder text with your own clear, benefit-focused heading. Keep it concise so it remains readable and visually strong. Then use the toolbar to change the font to something clean and professional, such as Montserrat or Inter. After that, highlight any header text or buttons you want people to click, select the link option in the top toolbar, and connect those elements to page sections or external destinations. Finally, preview and publish your website. Click Preview in the top right to test how the site looks. Switch between desktop and mobile views and check that your text, images, and links all stay neatly within the layout. Once everything looks good, click Publish Website, choose either a Canva domain or your own custom domain, and complete the publish process. That's it. Your Canva website is now ready to go live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next